Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today's DJI Pro launch event. Last October, we launched Ronin 4D, a state-of-the-art all-in-one solution with comprehensive functions, offering cutting-edge technologies like cinematic imaging, 4-axis stabilization, LiDAR focusing, and O3 Pro wireless video transmission, giving filmmakers around the world an entirely new way to create. DJI Ronin 4D has been recognized by cinematographers from all around the world. Rachel Morrison, DP of Black Panther and Mudbound, said, quote, "I'm excited by the idea that the Ronin 4D will allow independent filmmakers to make complicated and imaginative camera moves without needing a massive crew and a ton of heavy rigging." Recently, Ronin 4D has also been involved in the filming of major productions such as Civil War, directed by Alex Garland, with Rob Hardy as DP, and Naiad by the Oscar-winning directors Elizabeth Chai Vasarhelyi and Jimmy Chin, with Oscar-winning cinematographer Claudio Miranda as a DP. In the future, you will see more productions on the screen shot with Ronin 4D. Building on these successes, we will continue collaborating with industry professionals while enhancing our products to cater to their evolving needs. This coming August, we will release a firmware update for Ronin 4D that will enable support for the Apple ProRes 4444 XQ codec. Today, we're going to release a long-awaited accessory, the Zemus X9 extension cable. With this addition, the Zemus X9 gimbal camera can be used separately from the body of Ronin 4D, helping cinematographers navigate more complex and diverse scenes while reducing approximately 80% of the weight they need to carry around, allowing for a more versatile and flexible filming experience. And that's not all the good news we have for you today. Also, DJI is officially a member of the L-Mount Alliance and has partnered with Leica to introduce the exclusive Zemus X9 L-Mount unit. This means that Ronin 4D users will be able to fit Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma L-Mount lenses onto their cameras. While Ronin 4D has been widely praised for its wireless transmission system, we've received consistent feedback from users asking for an independent video transmission option. As a matter of fact, these requests emerged long before the launch of Ronin 4D. People wanted to know, when will DJI make a ground-based product that features its advanced video transmission technology already used on drones? Well, the answer is today. We've already shared this news with some of our industry friends. Let's hear what they had to say.
Yes. Yes, it's finally here. I've been waiting a very long time for this product.
I'd be so psyched if DJI released a transmission system.
I've always been in love with the transmission from their drones and now the 4D.
我们就一直在想，在盼，说是你能把天上的图传拿到地下来。那么现在好像它终于来了。
我希望它有超长的传输距离，能够达到几百米甚至1公里，仍然有一个稳定的画面。
因为我们在工作中对无线图传的要求还是比较高的。
Please tell me this is the same transmission system from the Ronin 4D, because that is by far the best wireless system I've ever had my hands on.
我会很期待大疆推出这么一款跨时代的产品。
This is something I'm dying to get my hands on.
We know that video transmission is the foundation of coordinated shooting. Being key to efficient production, wireless image monitoring can eliminate barriers in communication between different teams. In the market today, versatile professional-grade video transmission products are few and far between, and they are often out of reach for most users. So it was imperative that we create a system to meet those needs. After extensive research and development, we are pleased to announce the official launch of DJI Transmission, DJI's first independent wireless video solution. Developed on the heels of Ronin 4D's advanced video transmission technology, this system combines reception, monitoring, control, and recording into one, taking your filmmaking experience to a whole new level. Let's start with its transmission performance. We understand the various pain points of using video transmission in large, complex venues. Whether it's dealing with range, lagging images, or lost signals, we set out to optimize DJI's video transmission capabilities to address these issues. In DJI Transmission, we incorporated DJI's latest O3 Pro transmission technology, which offers an incredible 20,000-foot on-ground transmission distance. This is a massive upgrade from traditional Wi-Fi transmission. Video is transmitted in 1080p 60 FPS and provides live audio monitoring at 16-bit 48 kHz, offering crews an excellent remote visual and audio monitoring experience. O3 Pro optimizes every aspect of image transmission with DJI's self-developed chip. This allows users to achieve end-to-end ultra-low latency that's similar to Ronin 4D. The signal and structural environment of a film set can be complicated, and this requires transmission equipment with powerful stability and anti-interference protection. For DJI Transmission, a DFS band has been added on top of the traditional 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz, offering up to 23 channel options that provide crews with more compliant and interference-free transmission channels. Meanwhile, DJI Transmission supports automatic frequency hopping, which automatically scans the current electromagnetic environment for the best wireless channel with a built-in frequency sweeper. When necessary, users can manually select an appropriate channel to avoid interference between devices. Next, let's talk about monitoring. Conventional video transmission products often use the combined form of a video receiver plus some cables going into a monitor, which makes them hard to carry around and power. To address this, we have integrated the receiver with the 7-inch 1500 nit high-bright remote monitor. The monitor supports one transmitter with multiple receivers, as well as 2 transmission modes to address different transmission needs. In control mode, monitoring can be done from 2 receivers at the same time, while the gimbal and camera can also be controlled remotely. For a large crew with various units, such as lighting, art department, and props, broadcast mode can also be enabled on top of control mode, which will allow an unlimited number of receivers and elevate shooting efficiency to a new level. DJI Transmission isn't just a powerful video transmission tool, it's also a comprehensive control system. When used with Ronin 2 and RS2 or newer stabilizers, it can work as a gimbal and camera controller, unlocking more functions and fully integrating the ground-based Ronin ecosystem. First, the high-bright remote monitor has a built-in gyroscope sensor that acts as a standalone motion controller for Ronin 2 and RS stabilizers. When used with Ronin 4D hand grips, the operator of an RS stabilizer can control the gimbal, focus, and start-stop a recording with both hands, just like on Ronin 4D. What's noteworthy is that the remote monitor can be used in conjunction with DJI Master Wheels and DJI Force Pro for higher precision gimbal control. When this happens, original control signals are transmitted through advanced DJI transmission channels with enhanced transmission distance, stability, and interference proofing capabilities. When DJI Transmission is used with mirrorless cameras from Sony, mirror control mode can be activated and the virtual interface on the monitor can be used to remotely control the camera menu. This allows for quick remote settings operation of cameras mounted on a jib or a cable cam. In addition to superior control, DJI Transmission is packed with a variety of expansion features. The remote monitor allows for independent recording and playback of 1080p, 60 FPS, H.264 footage, as well as simultaneous access to video time codecs, making it easy to edit sample footage on set. So by now, you should understand what a transformative and superior experience DJI Transmission can deliver. It fully embodies our pursuit of cinematic-grade video transmission products to meet the high demands of the film industry. Starting from today, the DJI high-bright remote monitor will be the centerpiece of the Ronin ecosystem, bringing together Ronin cinema cameras, Ronin stabilizers, and Pro accessories in a completely integrated user experience. Moving forward, we will continue improving DJI's cinematography ecosystem on the basis of the remote monitor to help users explore new ways of enriching their craft. See for yourself though. Here's a short video that recaps some of the awesome highlights of the new DJI Transmission.
The video transmission technology previously used on DJI drones has evolved into something more powerful. Introducing DJI Transmission, an integrated video transmission solution that gives cinematographers a groundbreaking coordinated shooting experience. Equipped with DJI's latest O3 Pro transmission technology, this system offers an impressive 20,000-foot transmission range. It also supports video transmission at 1080p 60 FPS with end-to-end ultra-low latency. With superior stability and anti-interference capability, DJI Transmission supports seamless automatic frequency hopping between 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, and DFS frequency bands, automatically scanning the electromagnetic environment for the optimal wireless channel. Users can also swap channels manually to avoid interference between devices on large sets. By mounting high-gain antennas, signal strength can be enhanced by 40% and transmission capability can be boosted even further, which is ideal for more complex signal environments. The 7-inch 1500 nit wide gamut touchscreen delivers rich and authentic colors, even in strong lighting conditions, providing tools for composition, focus, and exposure assistance for a superb monitoring experience. DJI Transmission supports one transmitter with multiple receivers in 2 transmission modes. In control mode, live feeds can be monitored and the gimbal and camera can be controlled remotely from 2 receivers simultaneously. Expand the number of monitors at any time by turning on broadcast mode. This gives a potentially unlimited number of crew members the ability to monitor video feeds in real time for unparalleled shooting efficiency. In addition to cinema-grade video transmission, DJI Transmission also provides all-purpose control. It can be easily mounted onto Ronin 2 or an RS series stabilizer, and can be directly powered by the gimbal. The Hibrite remote monitor has a built-in gyroscopic sensor that allows it to act as a standalone motion controller for the gimbal, without the need for additional accessories. With DJI Force Pro, it also enables more direct and responsive gimbal control. In mirror control mode, the virtual keys on the monitor can be used to remotely control the menu of Sony mirrorless cameras. That means users won't need direct access to their camera in order to adjust settings. Add the Ronin 4D hand grips to the Hibrite remote monitor for intuitive control of the gimbal, focus, and start-stop recording, similar to the experience of using a Ronin 4D. Get an even higher level of precision when you use DJI Master Wheels. Master Wheels control signals will be sent through DJI Transmission channels, which improves transmission performance by up to 3 times with enhanced stability and reliability. The Hibrite remote monitor offers a wide range of expanded features, allowing flexible recording of 1080p 60 FPS H.264 footage when using a micro SD card, as well as independent playback on each monitor. DJI Transmission supports WB37, NPF, and V-mount battery options, in addition to a variety of ports to meet diverse needs. With all of these innovations and more, DJI Transmission gives users a powerful device that packs reception, monitoring, control, and recording all into one, helping to push the limits of your creativity and revolutionizing the industry. This is vision beyond boundaries.
Now, let's move on to one of our most popular product lines, the Ronin S series. One question we continually ask ourselves is, how else can we improve the Ronin S series to better serve our creative users? After getting feedback from many users, we made major optimizations to the design, stabilization, and gimbal control. This culminated in DJI Rs3, a next-generation, highly effective and reliable stabilizer designed for unparalleled efficiency. In 2016, we incorporated an axis lock design in a Ronin stabilizer for the very first time. It was extremely useful. However, we found that the process of locking and unlocking could sometimes be laborious and time-consuming. This led us to design a new automated axis lock system for Rs3. By turning on the gimbal, the axis locks automatically unlock
and the gimbal unfolds, allowing the operator to get started in seconds. Tapping the power button once will send the device into sleep mode, which makes powering on the device, stowing it away, and relocations much quicker. The record button is the most frequently used function by filmmakers. Even though we provide a cable for camera control, some users still found this troublesome to connect, so they opted to just press the button on the camera. This often meant they changed your holding position or disrupt your composition to actually press it. To address this issue, we've added a Bluetooth shutter button, which allows users to start shooting without having to connect a camera control cable. After the initial pairing, the gimbal and camera will link automatically, saving you a ton of time with every ensuing use. Every second counts during filming, so we understand how important it is for users to be able to mount and balance their cameras as quickly as possible. RS3 also features dual-layered quick-release plates with position memory. This means users can mount the camera directly back onto the gimbal without rebalancing. Additionally, the fine-tuning knob allows users to balance the camera quickly and precisely down to the millimeter and start shooting instantly after a lens change. Briefcase mode is one of the most commonly used positions on stabilizers. The new briefcase handle can be mounted directly onto the NATO port and comes with a folding handle. It also has a cold shoe and quarter-20 holes for mounting an external monitor. This provides more effortless transitions between high and low positions. These are the features that ensure efficient shooting. Now, let's focus on stabilization. Weighing the same as RS2 at just 2.8 pounds, RS3 can be held easily in one hand, while its 6.6 pound tested payload capacity is more than enough to support most mainstream devices, including the A7S III or R5 with a 2470 2.8 lens. The next generation of RS stabilization algorithm improves performance by 20% over RS2, making it easy to operate shooting at low angles, running, or even filming from a moving vehicle. In addition to its improved stability, RS3 is also easier to configure. The screen has been upgraded from the 1-inch black and white display of RS2 to a 1.8-inch OLED full-color touchscreen, with an 80% increase in surface area. Most gimbal setups can be done directly without connecting to a mobile app, while the UI and interface logic have been redesigned to put all controls right at your fingertips. We also created a new dedicated gimbal mode switch. By simply sliding the switch, users can alternate between pan follow, pan and tilt follow, and FPV modes to help operators adjust their equipment and get started as fast as possible. The brand new battery grip provides up to 12 hours of battery life. It features a quick release structure and supports PD fast charging at 18 watts. The battery can be charged independently or even during use, providing users the option to operate non-stop. Based on these updates, you can tell that we've focused our efforts on the most practical details that matter most to our users. Efficiency and reliability are truly two of the key strengths of RS3. But as usual, you don't have to take our word for it. Here's how actual users have been shooting with RS3.
Creators are always looking for more reliable ways to capture images and ensure workflow efficiency. Introducing DJI Rs3, a powerful tool with even the smallest details designed to maximize the solo shooting experience. When filming sports, such as a triathlon, every moment counts. We built DJI Rs3 with that in mind. Rs3 features a dual-layer camera mounting plate and a newly added fine-tuning knob, ensuring faster and easier balancing. With a new automated axis lock design, the gimbal can be automatically locked or unlocked in seconds, allowing you to start shooting immediately. Integrated Bluetooth camera control eliminates the need for a shutter cable. Just press the record button on Rs3 to start shooting. A bright 1.8-inch OLED touchscreen enables users to set and adjust parameters or perform other operations with speed and convenience. RS3's gimbal mode switch allows you to switch between various follow modes quickly, so you can stay in the moment and focus on the shot. The next generation focus motor can be installed in just one simple step. Combined with the front dial, you can now control focusing precisely, even during single-handed operation. An ultra-convenient design improves the efficiency of transportation and storage. Even when conditions are harsh, like in low-temperature environments, DJI Rs3's professional stabilization can still provide the same level of reliable performance. A light and compact design empowers Rs3 to handle tested payloads up to 3 kilograms, making it compatible with various mirrorless camera and lens combinations. Our third-generation stabilization algorithm keeps shots up to 20% more smooth, and the most strenuous movements can be stabilized with super smooth, letting you capture ultra-steady footage even with telephoto lenses. The DJI Ronin image transmitter enables powerful remote viewing and control, supporting parameter adjustments and even the motion control function. Our redesigned briefcase handle makes low-angle shots and transitions effortless. The DJI Rs3 battery features a 12-hour max life and a quick-release design, giving you secure mounting and faster swaps. With every detail optimized for a seamless and efficient shooting experience, creators can spend more time focused on creation itself. DJI Rs3 is ready when you are.
For users out there with even higher demands, we have developed a version especially for you. It packs the powerful performance of the Ronin series while offering a full suite of features as a versatile camera platform. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our brand new flagship, DJI Rs3 Pro. Rs3 Pro is jam-packed with notable design highlights. The Rs3 Pro arms are constructed from layered sheets of uncut carbon fiber, just like the Ronin 2. This makes it lighter and stronger than the jointed carbon fiber material used on Rs2. In addition, the device has withstood over 10,000 vehicle mount tests in our reliability lab. We have also extended the carbon fiber arms to allow for more balancing space for professional cameras, making it a perfect fit for cameras like the FX6 or C70 with 24-70 f2.8 lenses. With longer access arms and automated access locks, you might think Rs3 Pro would be heavier. It's not. That's because we've optimized the structure, ensuring that its weight remains the same as Rs2 at just 3.3 pounds, while its payload capacity is an impressive 10 pounds. And of course, the Bluetooth shutter button, 1.8-inch OLED touchscreen, and gimbal mode switch from Rs3 are also standard on Rs3 Pro. Next, let's take a look at the focusing system. Manual lenses are often involved for professional projects, and it brings a challenge for solo shooters on focusing. To that end, we have applied Ronin 4D's advanced LiDAR focusing technology to Rs3 Pro. The new LiDAR rangefinder can project 43,200 ranging points within a 14-meter area indoors. We've also upgraded the focus motor with torque that is 3 times higher with a 50% reduction in noise level. It can now be mounted more easily on Rs3 Pro without any tools. The pairing of the LiDAR rangefinder with a new focus motor makes autofocus on large aperture manual lenses possible, allowing single operators to shoot high-quality cinematic footage with ease. Thanks to the new LiDAR rangefinder, the next generation of ActorTrack Pro is able to deliver truly remarkable performance. It has a built-in camera with an equivalent focal length of 30 millimeters and a wide field of view of 70 degrees. Besides interpreting images directly from its own camera, it carries a DJI-developed chip identical to the one used by Ronin 4D. It boosts the computing power of ActorTrack Pro by more than 60 times compared to its predecessor, making target identification and tracking more sensitive and accurate. In addition to focusing, video transmission and monitoring are key elements in professional filming. You've probably already guessed it, but yes, RS3 Pro and DJI Transmission can be combined into a customized solution that integrates image reception, monitoring, and control all into one. The video transmitter can be mounted and powered directly by the gimbal. Users can accurately control the gimbal or the camera's focus, exposure, or start-stop recording and shoot even complex scenes with ease. One of the most notable features of the Ronin S series has always been its evolving product ecosystem. With its dual RSA, NATO ports, and battery port, the RS3 Pro can be connected to various accessories such as the new briefcase handle, twist grip dual handle, and tethered control handle. To build an even richer ecosystem with more developers, we have released the DJI RS SDK protocol, which means that third-party manufacturers and individual developers can now create customized shooting solutions for RS3 Pro. Whether it's filming from a moving vehicle, with a jib or Steadicam, or from a cable cam or slider, RS3 Pro provides you with comprehensive shooting solutions and greater creative possibilities. What we hope to achieve with the stabilizer is not just greater stability for cameras. As a crucial part of the modern filming process, it should expand camera functionality even further and ultimately becomes a more versatile camera platform. DJI RS3 Pro is a huge step forward towards this goal. And of course, let's take a look at some incredible work created by cinematographers using DJI RS3 Pro.
Turning an idea into a reality takes dedication and hard work. But it also requires equipment that was expertly crafted for the journey. Introducing DJI RS3 Pro. This isn't just a gimbal, it's an expansive platform for cinema cameras, offering all of the industry-leading technology that pros need. For solo operator scenarios, we've improved the gimbal design and made RS3 Pro easier to use. Newly added automated axis locks let users lock or unlock the gimbal within seconds. Built to handle payloads up to 4.5 kilograms, RS3 Pro allows you to tackle any scenario. A 1.8-inch OLED touchscreen gives you direct access to gimbal settings. You can also quickly switch between shooting modes with the convenient gimbal mode switch. RS3 Pro also offers Bluetooth shutter control, eliminating the need for camera control cables and ensuring seamless connections. The RS version of the LiDAR rangefinder provides pinpoint focusing accuracy with up to 43,200 ranging points within a 14-meter distance. Our next generation focus motor features a quick release design with 3 times stronger motor torque, all while reducing noise by 50%. With this new focus motor and the LiDAR rangefinder added, even manual lenses can now achieve cinematic autofocus with 2 focus modes. A newly added camera provides a secondary live view on the touchscreen. This improves object tracking responsiveness by minimizing image latency. ActiveTrack Pro is now 60 times more accurate thanks to the dedicated processor, the same one used by Ronin 4D. For larger productions, RS3 Pro is now more versatile and capable. The new extended arms are constructed using the monocoque carbon fiber process used on Ronin 2. Together with the fine-tuning knob, cinema cameras and lenses are now handled effortlessly. Shots stay smoother than ever with an updated 3rd-generation stabilization algorithm, optimizing gimbal stability by 20%. With Super Smooth mode enabled, you can achieve stable results even with telephoto lenses in challenging scenarios. RS3 Pro natively supports the all-new DJI Transmission. The transmitter can be easily mounted and powered directly by the grip, without the need for external batteries. The high-bright remote monitor and 4D hand grips let you easily achieve advanced gimbal and focus control with cinema standard transmission and monitoring, improving the efficiency of coordinated shooting. The O3 Pro transmission delivers a 1080p 60 FPS ultra-low latency video feed within a 20,000-foot range. In addition to 2.4 and 5.8 GHz, It also supports DFS channels with auto frequency hopping to achieve superior anti-interference capabilities. An external battery adapter and expansion ports give you access to more professional mounts and crane systems. So RS3 Pro can be powered via external batteries like V-mount to satisfy a variety of shooting needs. With a built-in gyroscopic sensor in the remote monitor, intuitive motion control is also available with RS3 Pro. In mirror control mode, you can directly change menu settings on Sony cameras with the DJI High-Bright remote monitor. With all of these advanced technologies and features together in one compact platform, RS3 Pro is ready to change the landscape of commercial video production. With DJI RS3 Pro, nothing is out of reach.
At this point, the biggest question you may have is the price of these three new products. The standalone RS3 sells for $549 US, while the RS3 combo sells for $719 US. For RS3 Pro, the price of the standalone device is $869, while the combo costs $1,099. DJI Transmission is priced at $2,499 as a combo, including one DJI transmitter and one DJI remote monitor. The independent video transmitter and remote monitor are priced at $1099 and $1699 respectively. The devices can also be paired with accessories such as the LiDAR rangefinder, focus motor, briefcase handle, high gain antenna, and remote monitor expansion plate. Today, DJI, as the ground-based product line of DJI Pro, is growing rapidly with products ranging from cinema cameras, stabilizers, and video transmission systems to professional accessories. From day one, our goal has never changed: to help imaging creators around the world push technical boundaries, explore the frontiers of their creativity, and achieve true creative freedom. In short, we set a new standard with our products so you can set new standards with your work. Moving forward, we will continue reforming technologies and solutions and building the ecosystem to bring more innovation to the world. We hope to see you again next time.